Moana and her trusted friend, Tala, stood at the edge of the vast beach, the sun dipping below the horizon, casting an orange glow over the island. They were faced with a daunting challenge, one that required courage and the strength of their bond. Standing before them was Te Fiti, initially disguised as Te Ka, a towering, fiery monster that brought destruction across lands and seas. Her fiery tendrils waved menacingly in the air as she shrieked, a terrifying sound that reverberated across the ocean. Moana, determined and unyielding, had spent countless days at sea, guided by her ancestors and the ocean itself, to reach this moment. Tala, wise and gentle, had always been the spirit that encouraged Moana to embrace her destiny as a wayfinder. The ocean, sentient and supportive, swelled and receded at their feet, creating a rhythmic call and response to Moana's silent pleas. It formed a wall of water between them and Te Ka, slowing the monster but offering no promise of safety. "We can do this, Moana," Tala urged, her voice calm and confident. She clasped Moana's hand, sharing her strength. Moana took a deep breath, feeling the warmth of Tala's presence and the ocean's cool mist upon her face. "We have to restore the heart," she said resolutely, pulling out the small, glowing green stone with a spiral engraving, the heart of Te Fiti. Tala nodded. "The monster is just a facade. Inside, there is hope, just as your heart holds courage." Gathering all her courage, Moana stepped forward. Te Ka roared, flames bursting forth. The ocean shielded the two friends, parting the waters, creating a path that led directly towards the rage-filled goddess. Moana approached steadily, her voice rising in song, a melody that told of the past and hope for the future. Gradually, as if recognizing her true purpose, Te Ka's flames began to dwindle. Tala echoed the song, her harmony intertwining with Moana's, weaving a net of sound that softened the beast's fury. The ocean swirled around them, creating a halo of safety. Moana reached the heart of the monster, revealing the compassionate entity that had once breathed life into the world. She placed the heart into the fissure of the lava giant. In an instant, the darkness retreated. The monster's hard exterior crumbled away to reveal a lush green goddess, Te Fiti, blooming with life and color. The island shook with the force of the transformation, but it was a shake of renewal, of rebirth. Lush greenery spread like wildfire over the island. Moana and Tala stood back, the wind gentle and warm, a thank you from the now tranquil island deity. The ocean receded into its normal ebb and flow, leaving the heroes victorious, the island restored, and a friendship unbreakable.